Hey up all! So we're back. It is Friday afternoon. I just want to bring you along for this one. This one is the infra front assist not working, and we always check the obvious, check the basics first, make sure that the radar is present, make sure that everything's okay with the radar, and it kind of stopped at that point. So I'm going to show you what I've found, show you obviously what not to do, and then we'll go from there. So this is the radar. I'm going to get the torch out, the trusty snap-on torch, and we're going to have a little look together of just what, see if you can see. Obviously I'm going to reveal it all in this video. I'm not going to drag it out too long, but a quick overview of the radar and brackets. We'll see if you guys can see anything. If you can't, don't worry, it's coming. So now I've shown you that bit. Obviously the radar's got to be somewhat secure. So this radar, as you can see, can you see the problem yet? And there, look. So this radar, obviously with everything it controls and has an input in, needs to be fairly secure and calibrated. That's what this little mirror at the front is, to help us calibrate them. So what's happened is the bracket's failed. Yeah, down there, that's a cable tie. And just on the other side there, that's a cable tie. That's categorically not the way to repair these radar systems, guys. It's a calibrated piece of equipment. If your bracket fails, unfortunately your bracket's failed, you're going to need to replace this bracket. They're not expensive, less than 100 quid for a bracket and then a calibration, and that's going to stop you getting all sorts of weird and wonderful alarms on the dash, weird wonderful lights on the dash, and obviously all your assist features aren't going to work. So this is what's happened. It's been cable tied back for whatever reason, and now it still needs the bracket and still needs a calibration. So it's kind of not saved the customer any time, or saved whoever's done it any time, because it's still not changed the outcome. So that being said, guys, repair things properly, and you won't be paying twice for diagnostics. So that being said, guys, see you in a bit.